Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered what everything around us is made of? The water we drink, the air we breathe, plants, animals, and even our own body are made up of tiny particles called atoms. So, in this video, we'll learn about the structure of atoms in a simple way, and by this end of this video, we get to know about protons, neutrons, electrons, mass number, and atomic number. So let's begin. An atom is the smallest unit of an element that retains the properties of that element. Think of a brick. A building is made up of many bricks. Likewise, the matter is made up of many atoms. Atoms are extremely small that can occupy a small single tip of a pencil. Example of atoms include hydrogen, carbon atom, oxygen atom. So each element has its own type of an element, own type of an atom. So let's move on to protons, neutrons, and electrons. What are these? Scientists discovered that atoms are made of even smaller particles called subatomic particles. And there comes these three important subatomic particles, which are protons, neutrons, and electrons. Let's learn one by one. Protons carry a positive charge. They are present inside the nucleus. The number of protons will determine which element the atom belongs to. For example, hydrogen has 1 proton, carbon has 6 protons, oxygen has 8 protons. Without the protons, the identity of the element changes. Neutrons have no charge. They are present inside the nucleus and their main role is to add mass and stabilize the nucleus. For example, carbon has 6 neutrons. Electrons carry a negative charge. They move around the nucleus in energy levels or shells. Their electrons are much lighter than protons and neutrons. Imagine the nucleus as the sun and the electrons moving around it as the planets revolving around the sun. This is the most simplified model that helps understand the atomic structure. Atomic number is the number of protons present inside the atom. That is, atomic number is equal to number of protons. So, for example, carbon's atomic number is 6, hydrogen is 1, oxygen is 8. This value identifies the element. Mass number is the total number of protons and neutrons. Simply, mass number is equal to total number of protons plus total number of neutrons. For example, carbon has 6 protons and 6 neutrons. So the mass number of carbon will be 12. So that's all for today. If this video helps you understand atoms, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Thank you. Bye bye.